Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is search button. So click this is search button, then type. Then click on H310M HD3 2.0. Okay, and you can this is search box to enter. You can like that. Okay, like I show. I click on this is search. Hit me and just enter it. Then click on the title of the motherboard 310M HD3 2.0. So click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11. So which is select any operating system. This is supported, and installations process also so same. So you have to just this is audio driver, Realtek audio HD driver, and click to download. So now this is again downloading. So first one by one download. After that install. So then chipset, download Intel lineup, and this is chipset driver. Click to download. This is Intel, and this one. So you can see this is download button. You just click to download. It will start downloading. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN. This is size, and click to download. Okay. Then VGA. So Intel VGA driver, and just click to download. So when you all need to driver downloaded, which is downloading in the download box. Okay, so it is completed. After that you have to click on this icon show in folder. So this drivers which folder downloading you can see. Okay, and there are two drivers are need downloading, so wait few seconds, and after that you can see how to install. Now you can see this is all the downloaded driver. So first select one, then extract all, and then same locations, then click on extract. First close all, extract. After that try to install, then select this one, right click, extract all, because sometime in extract and real in raw file is not find some system, so that means you getting some issues. And last one, graphic card. So last five, this is driver and this is extracted, so this is not need, delete it. Okay, so first this driver Realtek, open it, open folder, then find out setup. So this is your setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Otherwise, if you're 10, so show more and then click on administrator, run as administrator. After that, click on yes. Now you can see this installations window. Now, like that, audio driver. Okay, then click next. So it will complete it. You will show yes, you want to restart computer. So select no, I will restart later. Finish, because you have a more driver also required. Okay, come to back. Now this one updated chipset driver. Open this. Then you can see this is setup of chipsets. Always run setup. Okay, right click, run as administrator, otherwise Windows 10. So more, and then click to run as administrator. Click yes. Next, accept, and click on install. Now this is install, and it will complete it, and just close it. Then next, back, then third, open, this is also for chipset, and run as administrator. Click on yes. Oh, this is LAN driver. So it will close automatic, means this is installed. And it will take some time to install and depend about your system. So it is closed, means install. Now second, open, double click to open. Then right click to run as administrator, show more, and then run as administrator. This asking for administrator rights, so click on yes. So finish it, then back. Okay, so all driver it is installed. Then guys, all completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.